baie trots op Raimundo. Want hy laat niks in sy pad staan nie. En dis wat ek hom altyd sê. You're capable of it, so do it. Go for it. Elke oggend voor hy gaan skryf, het ek my klein chatjie met hom. You got this, you can do this, Ray. Go in there.
Mense dink nie soveel van gestremde mense nie. Wat gestremde mense kan doen. Soos, wat vir my voorbeeld. Ek het die SA surfing team gemaak. En dit is vir my 'n jaar gevat om daar uit te kom.
Raimundo het 'n baie goeie gesindheid. Hy's 'n liefdevolle mens. Hy's baie welcoming, to say the least.
Hy sal suksesvol wees. Dis hoe ek hom ken. Dis hoe Astram ken.
I think this world of possibilities is really what we're empowering individuals to think for themselves, and also to be able to apply what you use in a surf therapy context to the broader context of your life. And I think Raimundo just epitomizes that exactly. He can take what he learns in surfing and he can apply it somewhere else. He's calm, he's relaxed, he's focused, he's able to engage with his studies. His mom is very meticulous about that. He knows no studies, no surfing. And it's just incredible to see how he has just flourished and thrived through ocean-based therapy.
Wat Raimundo my leer en nog elke dag leer, is geduld. En van elke dag, ek leef nie vir môre of oormôre nie. My kinders weet, ek maak nie planne vir Desember sê. So dis wat die siekte van Raimundo vir my geleer het.